Hi guys, and welcome to beautiful albir. Know what you're thinking? Benidorm crazy Marcus and albir? Has he got himself lost again? The answer is yes, actually guys. We did get a bit lost. Meant to go all fast to pee and ended up in albir. Not that I'm complaining guys. You can just see how beautiful the bars are down here. Absolutely picturesque and romantic. As well, you have got the beach literally just a stone's throw away. Going off that saying, I imagine you could probably most likely throw a stone from this side of the road and it will land on the beach. Wouldn't try it though guys. You do have these beautiful apartments as well guys. Imagine the view from them will be absolutely amazing. Oh, that's the hotel. Sorry about that guys. Hotel Cactus albir. Now one thing I do wonder is if the guys who own Hotel Cactus in Benidorm own this one as well. Not too sure about that guys. Does look a nice hotel though, don't it guys? Pretty big as well. Just a couple minutes. Oh, not even that. I'll probably say about 5-minute walk back into main albir. Not too long a walk to the beach either. It is peace and quiet as well down there. You can literally just sit here with a nice cold drink and enjoy life. And no one will bother you. That do have a Chinese restaurant there in the background as well. Albir, it's got a nice little village as well. Gives you that sort of seaside-y type vibe. Sort of reminds you of being a little kid again. No, I think that's just me, isn't it guys? Do have this nice new bar being referred to as well. I think they're doing some work to it called Noah. Imagine that will be a brilliant place as soon as it opens. I can just see myself in there now. Nice cocktail, enjoying the nice chilled vibes. Brilliant. Big car park there, in case you do bring your car down. And now I'm going to prove one of my big long life theories of her. That no matter where you go in Spain, you'll always find an outlook. Got this little place here, believe it's like a library. Quite cool as well. You can just get a book, go and sit and read. You've got a chess table as well for those of you chess players. And there over the road is albir. Now, I never actually thought I'd see an albir in albir, but here it is. Shows how long I haven't been to albir actually. Literally situated right here on the front as well, so I imagine most of the stuff in there would